Good morning, children. A very warm welcome to you all in this new session. And today we will start with our GK class. And as today is the first day of the session, so we will just have a small introductory video for this class where we will learn about the importance of GK. Why do we learn GK? And I will also introduce you with the book that you are holding. So let's start, children. So the book that you are holding for GK is Know and Grow with Derek, and this book is written by Derek O'Brien, and he has plotted questions for as per your general knowledge. And as you all know, Derek O'Brien is famous quiz master. And as you all might be aware of the Bonvita quiz contest which he used to held for children. So he is the one who has plotted questions in this book. So the next we will learn today is about the importance of general knowledge. So you must be having a question in your mind that why do we learn GK? What is the importance of learning GK? So today we will learn some points and we can clear our doubt about why do we learn GK. First point is getting better grades. So if you have a good grip on general knowledge and current affairs, you can also enhance your academic knowledge to the next level because it helps you to score better in all the competitive exams. Number 2, makes conversations easy. So general knowledge and current affairs are instant conversation starters and can help you in those typical awkward moments of silence. Means if you are in a situation where there's a complete silence, so you can just start a conversation starting along with the GK with the updated topics, the latest news about general knowledge, the happenings. So this makes our conversation much easier whenever we are in any place where we have to start a conversation. Point number 3, better decision making. So general knowledge makes you street smart, means you become very smart after learning general knowledge, and helps you make well informed decisions, and you can make better decisions if you are aware of the current affairs. And the next one, point number 4, is enhance your public skills. If you have a strong command on general knowledge and current affairs, it will help you get rid of the fear of public speaking. You know, some children, they are very afraid or they have a fear in their mind speaking in public. So if you have a strong hold in GK, what happens is that you will not fear to speak in public, because mostly we fear because we are worried what to speak, how to speak. But if you are aware of all the happenings, then what happens is that you will have confidence in you about having the long pauses, so you will not have any pauses and gaps in between while you are speaking in public. Point number 5, increases your creativity and innovations. The academic curriculum may not be enough to increase the creativity and innovations in children and adults alike. Everyone learns the same things in school and college. Everybody learns the same thing in school and college. So what makes people different? So if you want to be different, you have to have some extra knowledge, and that extra knowledge is given to you by general knowledge. The next point is point number 6, can keep up with latest trends. So current affairs, as you know, is an integral part of the general knowledge domain. Means current affairs means the latest happenings. And how can you get that? Skimming through the magazines, newsletters, websites. Now you have your many kinds of websites, and you have your social networking. These all can help you updated in the latest records. So this general knowledge is the one which keeps you updated about the latest happening. So this is the importance of learning general knowledge. So I hope now you will have a better interest in this subject after going through this video. So this much for today, children. Thank you very much.